Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Midjourney account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Midjourney account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address midjourney.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Midjourney like this. Now in order to log into your Midjourney AI account, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the sign up or the login button over here. Click on the login button and this kind of interface will open where you will be able to log into your Midjourney account with your Discord or your Google account. If you click on either of these, a login panel to your Discord account or Google account will open. So let's click on one of the Discord. I'll be logging in with the Discord, and after opening the Discord panel in the sort over here in the sort tab, enter your email address of your Discord account and the password of your account over here with which you want to sign into your Discord account on your computer. And after that, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Midjourney AI with your Discord account. Or you can just let's close this and let's reload this. Similar process is available for the Google account. Click on the continue with Google, and when this page opens you can see you will be able to log into your Google account over here. If you don't want to log in with your current account, please click on the use another account and you will be able to log into your Google account from over here. Click on next, enter your password over here, and then again click on next, and then you'll be logged into your Midjourney AI with your Google account. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to log into your Midjourney account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.